Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Snoopy holding a heart, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose further over on the left hand side, and we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval for that nose. We'll move back in on top, and right in the middle here we're just going to draw in another smaller sideways oval for the highlight of that nose. And then now from here we're just going to color in the nose black. Let's move up. So we're going to come up on a diagonal. For the eye on the left, we're going to arch this across. We're going to leave a gap coming across on a diagonal again, curving that line out. Now from here in that corner, we're going to arch this around and through on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's color in this eye black. Now let's frame in the top of the head. So starting just above this eye, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left-hand side, just beside the nose there. And then we're going to arch this line out on the right, curving this around and then back down for the top of the head. Let's curve out the eyebrows on the top here. We're going to draw two curved lines. Let's come in. We're going to continue to round out the snout here. So we're going to curve this over and through, and now we're going to leave space for our heart. So stepping down on this line slightly, we're going to curve this line around, tucking this in towards the middle. And then on the right hand side, we're going to curve this further across, pulling this back around and in towards the middle. Let's come back up for the mouth. So starting on the top here, we're going to arch this line through. And then we'll come over on the left-hand side, curving this up. Now on the top here, let's just draw in a small corner bracket. Let's focus on the ear. So stepping in, we're going to arch this around and through towards the side, leaving a gap. And now let's just come underneath, pulling this back around and through towards the top on the side there. Let's move in towards the middle now. We're going to curve this around, tucking this back through and in on the side of that heart. And now let's just color in the center of this part black. Now let's draw in the arms holding the heart. So we'll start with the hand on the top. We're going to start from this line, curving this out. And then for the thumb, we're just going to arch this back around, tucking that in. Let's curve this line out. Starting back on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out, pulling that through. We're going to drop down, curving this across for that center finger. And then we'll do the exact same thing one more time for the pinky there. Now we're going to drag this line out towards the side. We'll start with this hand. We're going to curve this up and back down for the thumb. Again, for that first finger, curving this around, back in. Stepping down for that center finger there, just curving this around and through. And then one more time for the pinky. Let's close off the arm on the top here, curving this around and through towards this hand. Now let's come down for the back. So we're going to step across. We're going to curve this down and through towards the bottom. Now from here on the side, we're going to draw in a small pattern. So we're just going to curve this out, stepping in on that line, arching this across towards the back. Again, let's just color in this spot black. Now let's step over. Underneath, we're going to curve this line out for the bottom of the leg. Let's draw on the foot. We're going to round this out. We're going to curve this out, pulling this up, arching this back around and in. We're just going to make sure this line connects to the hand as well. And now let's round out the top of the leg, curving that across. Let's step over. We're going to draw on the back of the arm here, curving that through towards the top. Coming across for that left foot, we're just going to round this out, tucking this over, pulling this back down. And then we're going to round this out underneath, pulling this back in and through towards the center. Let's draw on the tail. So we're going to curve this out underneath, And then from that point, curving this over and back in. Let's curve this line down. And then just color in this small little area here black. Now to close off the toes, we're just going to curve 2 lines that come down. Stepping in again, let's replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Snoopy holding a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.